Hey folks, I got some requests late in the day, so I'm going to quickly talk about natural gas just to cover quickly what's going on. A lot of people are concerned about today's pullback, particularly in the last 4 to 8 hours, these last two candles. Actually, the last 4-hour candle was quite a big one after the storage report and so on. We've pulled back into the 100 period and the 200 and the 50 period moving averages all down here. These are the strongest moving averages and should supply some support. Let's just put a couple of Fibonacci's. First of all, I'll draw one from the very bottom here up to this recent swing high just below 1.9. That's actually where I got out of half of my trade yesterday at that high, and we've still got half in actually at the price that we're at now. 1.76. Now that I've got the Fibonacci drawn on here, you can see we've retraced exactly 50% of the move up from the bottom to the recent high. If I adjust this Fibonacci to this more recent swing low, you can see that we pulled back exactly 61.8%. So it's a Fibonacci confluence plus a confluence of the 100 and the 200 period moving averages. I'm going to watch this 4-hour chart very closely as we approach the close today in about an hour's time. And if not today, then perhaps tomorrow we'll get a reversal pattern, and I'll consider adding back some of that trade where I took the profit at the top yesterday. So that's how it looks on the 4-hour chart. And actually this level right here at 1.76, our original entry level, looks really good. This is also easily illustrated on the Henry Hub day chart. We've got the green blocks beneath us. We're above the 20 period moving average, below the 50 where we rejected yesterday, and pulling back into that support. I said it was a fib confluence of the 618 and the 50 on the 4-hour chart, but it's also a confluence of the 20 period moving average on the day chart. That's pretty important. So that's where we are on natural gas. We're still way under $2. It's still cheap, still in the bargain basement level. My targets are $2, $2.15, $2.20, and maybe $2.40. Those are the sorts of areas that I'm looking at. And if we do close beneath 1.6, we'll have to expect to move back down to 1.5 and potentially lower. But I don't think that's the most likely scenario once again. I'm aiming for a move higher up to around $2, maybe $2.15 or $2.20 where the 100 period is, and then maybe $2.40, which is the top of this gap here. I pointed out this gap in the last video. Have a great trading day, and if you like this sort of thing, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Take care.